The Bissell Little Green Max Pet Shampooer. This is gonna be great for the car. Let me show you what it does, how easy it is to use, and how well it works. I'll be shampooing the entire inside of my car, getting all these seats cleaned up. Very simple to manage. You have your on-off switch there, so no pump in circumstance, nothing to get confused about. The containers themselves just pull up. The dump tank's on the other side. Now you simply just push out and pull up, and your dump tank will come off, and then you have your lid that you open up, and you can dump out all your fluid. And the whole lid comes off. It's got an O-ring that goes all the way around it. It keeps, you know, dirty water from filling out. And you also have a bobber right here. Once it hits the max fill of the dirty tank, it'll stop suction. It's nice when you have the regular scrub on there, or you can put the cat attachment or pet hair attachment. This is a little bit more of a soft bristle, like a pet brush, but it's not always needed. It's not a definite thing, but if you have carpet and things that are packed full of hair, snapping this on to the front of this, you simply flip this one off and you install this one right on the front. Very, very simple, snap and go. Nothing crazy, nothing hard about it. With car upholstery, this one works the best. Right here you pull, this will put down the solvent, and that sprays the solution, and then it has constant sucking as well all the way through. And then if you bring this down here like that, what that does is it pushes water strictly through and back through the actual device. It doesn't spray it out of the nozzle. That way it'll clean this whole section here, because that usually gets gunked up with cat hair and dirt and debris, and that'll clean out your hose and the nozzle itself. And if you don't want solvent, just don't squeeze the handle and it'll be just suction. Let's kick this on. Definitely a large spray pattern. I like to get a little saturated. Look at that. Suction's incredible out of this thing. Much higher power than I ever thought it would have. Now the only con I can think of with this, which is kind of a big con, is the fact the sprayer's so far down on the nozzle. When you go to spray, unless you're directly down on the material you're trying to shampoo, the spray kind of goes farther than you would like, because you're here and the nozzle's there. I wish the nozzle was further up, that way you're getting the same area you want to actually clean, not spraying further down. So it's kind of hard to judge the targeting of the spray itself. That's probably the biggest con I would say out of this. You can already see just in this one seat, I'm getting a lot of gunk and debris and old dust and God knows what else from that seat. So I'd say the overall pros of this device is the compact aspect of it, the portability of it all, the simplicity of the thing. It's just one on button and that's it. You have your fresh water and dirty water tank, and it's very easy to manage and dump and clean. So pros, but the cons, I just wish the bristles were a little bit further out, and I wish that spray nozzle was not so far down so you can actually target where you want to spray and not spray everything. Other than that though, great little device for a very reasonable price.